Welcome to the Resilience Roadmap Summit. Resilience is often perceived as the ability to bounce back from trauma or stress, but it's so much more than that. It's actually the number one predictive factor of success in any health challenge. It's resilience that helps you switch up your diet, get out of bed in the morning as opposed to pressing the snooze button. Actually, remember to take all those supplements in your cupboard. It's resilience that keeps you going when you're faced with a challenge, that helps you work through pain and come out on the other side brighter and stronger. I didn't know any of this when my 12-year-old son, Max, was killed in a car accident on August 27, 2018. All I knew is that my daughter said to me, "You can't fall apart because I need you." So I was determined to figure out, okay, how do I do that? And every day I would get up and best guess it. And every night before I went to bed, I would review what worked, what didn't. I kept what worked. I threw away what didn't. And I just kept going. And after a year, I started to wonder when people would say to me, "How are you still standing?" And I would think, gosh, I don't really know. I started to do research. And it turns out the key was resilience. Resilience isn't some personality trait or something you're genetically gifted with. It's actually actionable items that can be taught and learned. And that is the goal of this summit. I'm Jody Cohen, and my goal is to gather these 50 foremost experts, have them share their unbelievable brilliance with you so that you can then be armed with actionable, easy tools for resilience that you can execute every day in a very easy way from the comfort of your own home so that you're better empowered to handle the little bumps, a fight with your child, a conflict at work or in your neighborhood, along with the big bumps, unexpected loss, health challenges, things like that. So I really hope that you'll join me and listen to these 50 unbelievable speakers. And I really hope that you walk away with a valuable tool that helps you feel more empowered in your life. Thank you. I hope to see you at the summit.